Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we are picking the first set of cards for those who are in a relationship, Libras, and the second set of cards for those who are single. So that is how today's reading is going to proceed, guys. So these cards are for you singles, Libras, for those who are single. So let's start with the first set. We have Three of Earth, Fortune's Wheel, and Three of Air. So these are the cards for those who are in a relationship, guys. So there is something worrying you guys, Libras. Maybe you don't know what is there in this person's heart. Some kind of what to say, confusion or doubts, and there is someone coming to help you see the truth. It may be your friend, or it may be both of your common friends. So someone is coming to guide you today, support you in this state. So you are quite confused. You don't know whether this person is interested in you or not. So some doubts or confusions, and this person is helping you see the truth. And maybe the way you feel left out or rejected by this person, it is for your greatest good, guys. So something better is going to take its place, and it is going to be just a temporary discomfort that you feel today, guys, Libra. So this person may be leaving you, or they are taking a temporary break from you. This may be your energy or their energy, guys. And I also see that maybe in your heart of hearts, you may know what is going to come in this relationship, guys. So some kind of premonition you may have about this connection. So this ending or rejection come as a surprise. It was something you expected for a long time, guys, Libras. So that is what I see, guys, Libras, for those who are in a relationship. So let's see what are the cards for those who are single. We have Seven of Water, Messenger of Air, and Eight of Water. So for those who are in a connection, we saw the cards, guys. This is for those who are single. So singles, Libras, your dreams and fantasies are running wild. You are dreaming about your person with whom you are probably going to end up very soon, guys. And you are what to say, maybe there are people coming towards you, and you are changing the way you are thinking. The reason maybe, or thinking or acting, the reason maybe you don't want to repeat your past, guys, and you don't want that similar thing happening. So you have learned a lot from your past. So you are thinking differently today, and you are acting differently today. Maybe you want to change the way things are going in this connection for you all, guys. And that may be the reason you are proceeding differently, maybe reacting differently, and responding differently, because you know that all that glitters is not gold. So you, if you want true gold, you have to wait You have to go beyond that mask that person has. So you are waiting for that right person to come in your situation, Libras. For those who are single, so that is what I see. So you are taking one step at a time with care, very carefully, guys. So that is what I see, guys, for Libras who are single. If you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is Kyanite. That is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this Uh, Crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy, and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So, this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So, we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So, sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So, no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So, love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what uh, is this oracle's guidance. So, we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.